Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're tackling technology problems, a universal frustration, and the vocabulary you need to describe and resolve them, whether you're talking to IT support or a tech-savvy friend. Let's start with the most common problems. Freezing means the screen stops responding, you can't click anything. Crashing means a program or the whole system suddenly shuts down. A slow device could be caused by too many programs running, insufficient storage, or old hardware. And connectivity issues mean problems connecting to Wi-Fi or the internet. When reporting a problem, be as specific as possible. Don't just say it doesn't work. Say, my laptop freezes whenever I open the spreadsheet application. Or, I'm getting an error message that says insufficient memory. Or, the Wi-Fi connects but then drops every few minutes. Specific descriptions save a lot of time. The first step for most tech problems is to reboot, turn the device off and on again. This sounds simple, but it genuinely fixes a surprising number of issues by clearing temporary memory and restarting processes. If rebooting doesn't work, clearing the cache might help. Cache is temporary data stored by your device to speed things up, but over time it can cause conflicts. Updating your drivers, software that allows hardware to communicate with the operating system, can also resolve many issues. For more serious problems, you might need to contact IT support. If it's a work computer, they may remote in connect to your computer from their location to diagnose and fix the problem without needing to be physically present. Prevention is always better than cure. Keep your software updated, back up your files regularly, and use good security practices, a strong password, and reliable antivirus software. Today, we covered common tech problems, how to describe them clearly, basic troubleshooting steps, and when to call for help. Technology problems are less stressful when you know the language. See you next time.